Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I want to read you a tweet from my favorite mayor, Bill de Blasio. We need New Yorkers to help us enforce social distancing. Now you can text a photo to 311-692. This is an awful idea in my opinion, and let me explain why. The type of person who's going to use this and start taking pictures and actually sending it into city authorities to get them in trouble for the crime of talking while within 5 feet of each other are the type of people who are just absolute miserable, resentful, bitter pricks. The type of people who are going to report you to HR and try to get you fired because you're creating a hostile workplace that day that you read an XKCD comic in the break room while you were on lunch. These are the types of people who are going to be using this, the types of people who can mask their bitterness, their resentfulness, their misery by pretending that they care about you and the well-being of society. They can mask their worst instincts, and I don't like this one bit. Now, to be clear, I think it's very, very important that people take every single measure they can to ensure they're not spreading the virus. When I do these bike videos and I ride by a park and you can see 12 people right on top of each other playing basketball, sweating on top of each other with no mask on, that kind of sucks. And I understand how this can aggravate people who are sacrificing themselves for the betterment of society only to see that other people don't care. And I also understand how aggravating it is when you see businesses classified as essential that are staying open, but they are not providing protection to their employees. They're not providing masks. They're not providing cleaning materials. They're not changing their business so that customers stay away from the staff. I understand how much this is aggravating to you. But this is not the way to enforce it. Like at my own business, we have changed a lot. If someone walks in with a mask and they do this to talk to us, I will yell at them to put their mask back on. Talk louder. I will hear you. Scream at me if you must so that I can hear you. Don't take the mask off. When they walk in, they are told to sit over there. Do not come to the table while I'm at the table. Put your stuff down at the table. Then sit over there 6 feet away. I'll come to pick it up. I'll spray it with alcohol. They'll think like, what is this guy like spending 5 minutes spraying this thing and cleaning it before working on it? Is it that dirty? I don't care if they're offended because I'd rather offend them than spread a virus. So we'll clean. Once we figure out what's wrong with it, if they want to fix it, great. If they don't want to fix it, they have to sit. We will put it back at that table. I'll return to my desk, which is 12 or 18 feet away, and then they will come to pick it up once I'm back at my desk, and then they leave. Once they leave, we spray everything. We spray where they sat. We spray where they put the thing down. We spray the door handle. We spray the part where you push the door in. People think it's a little weird that we're cleaning the desk like once an hour, that everything is being cleaned in this way. Some people think it's weird that I'm making them wear a mask at work, or that if someone walks in without a mask, that I have actually a little water spray bottle and I'll like walk up to them and spray them until they wear it. But I think it's weird that we have this air filter that sounds like a jet engine running all the time. But it's important to me that we make these minor changes that we can, and that we voluntarily do so that we stop the spread of the virus and do flatten the curve. That being said, that doesn't mean that I'm for this Soviet-style shit where we rat on each other and we encourage the worst in humanity to like come to the forefront because they now have a legitimate reason to act on their worst impulses. Like that's what this is going to do. This just reminds me of reading the about these people that would report their neighbor, and then once their neighbor was taken off to a gulag, they would get rewarded for reporting them by getting their apartment and their stuff, which sometimes they would have a bigger apartment. And did you really care about ratting them out because they were like prodding revolutionary thinking or whatever, or was it just because you wanted to take their shit? Like, are you really reporting people because you genuinely care about society, or are you doing it because you're going to get your rocks off knowing that you fuck with someone? How is this being enforced? If you have a business that you dislike, is this a picture that you took 3 months ago that you're now sending in without a timestamp and saying, this is something that happened right now, go and fuck with them? This is one video I did on Yelp about 2 weeks ago. Someone sent in a photo claiming this is the laptop that I broke, and it was taken from a blog from missionrepair.com from 2014. I provided proof of this and reported it, and they got back to me and said, no, we're going to keep the review up. Do you know why they did that? Bureaucracy. Whether it's a large publicly traded company or whether it's a government, there's going to be a lot of bureaucracy when you have mass reports and mass flags for stuff like this, and they're not going to look at all the details. They're not going to care. That slander stayed up until I did a video that got 500,000 views. And the same thing is going to happen here. Look at this. He replied to his post soon thereafter, 311 calls have been off the charts. We're prioritizing urgent requests for food, shelter, and healthcare. No fucking shit you are, because you just encouraged 8 million people to start fucking ratting on each other. Of course your phones are going to be overflowed. This is the same city where when I apply for a fucking address change for my business license that I paid $360 for, I have to wait 4 months to get it in the fucking mail. And you think you're going to have people responding to random pictures of 8 million people that hate each other, ratting on each other? No fucking shit. You're going to have to prioritize actual calls for important shit over people ratting on each other. You dumb fuck that I didn't vote for. But I'm not salty. That's it for today. And as always, I hope you learned something. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye now.